we guide you through how to download video from Pinterest quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Pinterest app or go to pinterest.com and find the video you want to download. Tap on the video, open it full screen, then press the three dot icon at the top right corner and tap copy link. Now, open your browser and go to a reliable Pinterest video downloader website. Paste the copied link into the search box and tap the download button. Wait a few seconds while the site processes the video. Then choose your preferred video quality and tap download again. If you're using iPhone, the file may be saved in your Files app, so check your Downloads folder. And if you are using Android, the video will usually go directly to your gallery or download folder. So that's it.